So we finished with island hopping, and now we're doing the micro version called bar hopping. We are at the Hilton on the Waikiki Beach, and just doing a little bar hopping. We're at the Tropical Bar, kind of getting ready to wait for they do fireworks tonight, and we're gonna take in a hula show. Just enjoying the day. So Cheryl just ordered a back scratcher drink, and it looks like a Mai Tai, and you get a back scratcher with it. And so Cheryl got 3 of them, and oh man, this is the best drink ever because, you know, I got a sunburned back, and I'm going to use the crap out of this thing. So we've been island hopping, we've been bar hopping, and now we're doing the back scratcher thing. What more could you ask for in Waikiki? Okay, so part of our travels here is we had 2 spread your legs drinks, and we've been a little busy, and so we're headed back to the Ilokai, and well, okay, that was probably too many spread your legs drinks, but we're in Hawaii, we're on vacation. Okay, so here we are, beautiful Friday night at the Ilokai, and we were over by the Hilton to an extent. I and Cheryl we kind of did a little, instead of island hopping, we did a little bit of bar hopping, and Cheryl and I did 2 drinks called Spread Your Legs, and okay, I'm a little shit-faced in all honesty of it, and that's okay, we're on vacation, and so everyone's here getting ready for the fireworks at the Hilton next door, and so they sent me to walk forward, and if you'll notice, yeah, I'm not doing a good job with that walking thing, but you know, we're on vacation. So beautiful night here at the Ilokai in Hawaii. Just so thankful that the island puts up with us tourists, and yeah, we had a good night. We had a good day here. I'm not going to apologize. We're from Wisconsin, so yeah, we don't do this. I don't do this often, but yeah. The drinks we had today, yeah, they've kind of hit me. Everyone's down here. They're ready for the fireworks and at the Hilton. So kind of a beautiful deal. Okay, so I'll pause it until they start shooting stuff off, and we'll go from there. So my conclusion to the night is we've got the hula dancers over here at the Ilokai, and we've got the fireworks going on at the Hilton, and I'm in the short sleeve shirt. It's absolutely beautiful after dark. Friday night, life is good. And yes, we had a couple drinks called Spread Your Legs, and we're all a little shit-faced, to be honest with you, but I mean, we're from Wisconsin, so that kind of happens from time to time. Just a beautiful vacation, and anyways, thank you for watching, and don't hold this against any of us. But anyways, life is good. Aloha. So you saw a little bit of the fireworks, and now we're watching the hula dancers at Ilokai here. 70 degrees, it's beautiful. What a beautiful vacation with my wife Carmen and Cheryl, a friend. And there are not words to describe this. Hit that like and subscribe button. Take care, my friends.